Hey kids, are you ready for a super fun world capitals quiz? We're going to travel across 10 different countries, and your mission is to guess the capital city. You'll get 3 options for each question, only one is correct. So, put on your thinking caps and let's begin. Ready? Here's your first question. What is the capital of Australia? The capital of Australia is Canberra. What is the capital of India? The capital of Bharat, India is New Delhi. What is the capital of China? The capital of China is Beijing. What is the capital of Denmark? The capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. What is the capital of Egypt? The capital of Egypt is Cairo. What is the capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. What is the capital of Germany? The capital of Germany is Berlin. What is the capital of Hungary? The capital of Hungary is Budapest. What is the capital of Israel? The capital of Israel is Jerusalem. What is the capital of Japan? The capital of Japan is Tokyo.